It takes some time before the craving stops. So it doesn't miraculously happen overnight. A couple things that I would do if I were you is if you find yourself craving certain foods at a certain time. So say your fast normally ends at 8, but you're craving sweets at like 10 or 11. I would actually change your fasting schedule so your fast technically starts at 10 or 11. At least for the first couple weeks. There's nothing wrong with starting a little bit later. You're still going to be fasting the number of hours that you've started. So like if your fast is 20 hours, you're just going to break your fast a few hours later. If your fast is 36 hours, you're going to break it at 11 a.m. the day after next. The reason for this is mentally, I don't want you to feel like you stopped your fast or you've started your fast and then now you want to like cave and eat something, because that throws us off psychologically, versus starting your fast at 11, which means eat your cravings before that. I do. I absolutely will have my ice cream, my chocolate, my sweet thing before I go to bed, before I start my fast. I still have cravings. I don't feel restricted by them though. And I have found like tricks to not break the calorie bank with the types of sweets that I have. So for example, instead of a pint of Ben & Jerry's, which is like 1,000 calories, I have Halo Top, which is a couple hundred calories, and it's an entire pint. Instead of milk chocolate, even though I love milk chocolate, I'm not a huge fan of dark chocolate, I get like the sea salt dark chocolate or the caramel dark chocolate or like the kind of sweetness on top of dark chocolate. I can't eat as much as compared to milk chocolate, but I still get my sweet tooth type of thing. So those two things, I would move your fasting window a little bit later so it naturally fits in with whatever time you do have your sweet tooth. And don't restrict yourself from the sweets. Just try to figure out ways to like have maybe a little bit healthier alternative.